my goodness. Guys. This is choking. It's choking already. Do you know what you just told me? Who wants to be a millionaire? 5 people are going home with 5 million. Oh, what did you say again?
5 million
5
naira.
million naira for 5 different people. 1 million naira each from the helpers. What's the handle again?
Bookie House of Hairs.
Booking House of Hairs.
Yes.
If you want this money, join his live tonight, 10 p.m.
Exactly.
List your problems. What is troubling you in Nigeria? The economy is tough, Abi. Come to
Bookie House of Hairs.
10 p.m. tonight. I'm going to leave
Exactly.
the handles in the caption.
Exactly.
Come and collect 1 million naira for 5 people. My voice is even cracking.
Oh my
This
God.
is not audio.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. So what he gave to me, I got this. I actually attended their 15th anniversary. Today is 15 years in the hair business.
Exactly.
I was invited, I got here, and this is what I'm going home with. And he's going to give you guys 1 million naira each, 5 people. No snooze. We're not playing.
Okay.
We're not playing.
Okay.
Guys, I cannot keep calm. I can't keep calm. So, will you be sleeping tonight? Shine your eyes. They help us. What do you have to say again?
We're not playing, eh? We're not playing. Number 1 largest warehouse in Balogun. Hey!
Wow.
5 million naira for 5 people.
How would they win this money?
Each person 1 million naira.
Okay, you're going to ask how many questions?
Small question.
Okay, 5 questions.
Exactly.
So if you get the answers correctly, you're going to win.
1 million
Okay,
naira.
guys, 5 million for grabs. I'm out of here.
Bookie House of Hairs. Help us.
Queen May for a reason. Queen May of the Most High. How many times we go call you May Edochie? Now which kind injection you carry come give in polygamy this night? Omo, kiss your bride. Hey. This one na kiss your bride. I been a kiss your customer. I been a peck your director. Chai, this one pass advert oh. Yo, no go sleep this night. This one they torturing me for body. My people, May Edochie na the only woman wey know the injection wey they give to YUL Edochie brain when he go whine. He whine you ewo. My people, na feke we sit down. Now we see say our legit Queen May YUL Edochie. He did a show another advert with the same director. Una know our Ugo boss. Him na the director. When we all sabi, anytime he dey with me like this, una dey see the joy. Even her throat e don crack, her voice e don lost. Unto say na over excitement. You see the joy in her being around him. You see the happiness. You see the woman. You see that venturous woman. When you no know the value. You see the man being happy being around me. I beg make una look this place. Look. Hey, my people, yeah. How you go to sleep this night? Imagine the woman. You look her eyes. You look at 18 years of wasted years in your marriage. You spit for her eyes like waiting you go fit do go by yourself. Who go boss reach there? He pick him up. He use am turn to his handbag as he dey do his directing work. He use am become a brand ambassador to his company. As he dey ambassadorial the company, he dey ambassadorial the bed journal. May no go fit tell us this time say nothing dey shele. Abeg make we clear road because this kind thing I dey like am. Na this one we dey call do me I do you. God know the verse. Love me, I love you. Hey, God know the verse. Because when you carry do the hosting in the name of Enugu location, Eta has given belle. All of una clap hand follow am. May they do endorsement. From endorsement, na God show am favor. Somebody say favor. Somebody say grace. Kai May Edochie Zukwarike. You too they give yo injection. Kai see injection when did they hit yo for hair like this? How you go to sleep this night? How in polygamy? I am a proud polygamist. The man say he want marry to ìyàwó. You use the ìyàwó to slap his face, make he carry a bag of rice go sit down. Chideke me. My people, now feke we sit down. We see this advert. So he say na 5 million. You hear him? If you be the highest builder, you be the highest customer. He say make you dress confront. Can't tell them wetin be your problem. As you dey come 10 p.m. this night, you dey carry go home with 1 million naira. naira. Abeg carry your luggage o, because as that country hard reach, you need to wet your pocket. My people, somebody say congratulations to Queen May, because e don shake the internet again. Everywhere they hot. As I see this video now, I say no now, Abba, no now. May Edochie, why you dey do like this? Why you dey do yo like this? Ha! Now this woman know the gesture wey they give that man. Now YUL Edochie na no go fit sleep this night. Why May don relax on top of mocha foam plus vita foam? He mix am together. Make my tell una wetin he go give am. Hey, na good sleep and beautiful dream na you go dey see for those kind bed. YUL Edochie, only you want the rock kitty, you the rock kata. May they go forward. Every day na forwardness, my people. Make somebody celebrate grace, abeg. Somebody say hallelujah. Chai, Jesus, Chineke, you too much. You know the door. Our May Edochie, congratulations. You are 1 in a million. You are a beautiful woman, beautiful Dempsey, with a happy soul. Seeing you around this director every time. Anytime she deal with this boss, she's always happy. You always see those kind of smiles. You know, say when you deal with somebody you love, there is that kind hidden joy when they come out when you no go feel control. There is that kind of joy when they come out when you no go feel express. Now only you who they see and I go know say, man, this woman is damn happy. Congratulations to you for finding love again. Congratulations to you for a man see you worthy, even after 4 children, even as much as enemy stock one. My people, God must still come into your life and see you worthy. He still see this woman, still say you are a venturous woman. You can push me and my business to the next level. Chai God.